forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share for more of Abbi's Madness. What's up, guys? Your girl Abbi here, back at it again with more of Abbi's Madness. So guys, good girl have another skit for you. So I want to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, comment, and share for more of Abbi's Madness. And if you want to see me and people, man, just fly over to Abbi and Kepa JA. Subscribe to my comedy channel, Abbi and Kepa Comedy TV. And also follow me on Instagram below. So no further talking, let's flick into the skit. Oh, good morning. Sorry for having you waiting.
Yeah, good man.
You can follow me into my office. Alright, just take a seat over there. So you're the doctor, huh? So Doctor make you stay good. What your name? Sue, but I can call me good girl Sue. Alright, good girl Sue. So what can I do for you today? Boy, doctor, man, nah lie, I want to do my bottom. It's too small, man. Girl, it's not that bad. You know what? Doctor, look. She still body.
What you say?
I say, oh God, they really need to fix him for true. Oh yeah, for true, that me I tell you, man. Yeah, man, know why you live with me now. How big you want it? You want it small, medium, and large? I'm tell you something. You see, my man, him watch Nicki Minaj hard. But I feel that your body big. I lie. Yeah, man, so just give me a Minaj body. So you want to tell me, so basically, you want a bigger bottom just to please her, man? Oh, you know. That you're less sorry, man.
What you say?
Me I say, I'm happy for you, girl. I'm happy for you. Oh, yeah. So tell me, doctor, you can help me out. Wait. You don't see my name tag? For choo. Doctor fixed it. I saw. Yeah. Alright. So I'm going to step in the office now. I'm going to go up on the bed there and take off your clothes. Just get comfortable until I come back, alright? Alright. Oh, you have any question for ask me? No, girl, just hurry up and come back. Come fix me. Alright. Girl, I got tan good now. Alright, good girl. So, what you do? Assign this for me. What is? In case nothing go wrong, you can't sue me. What is it? Girl, I told me I make sign the paper. Hey, doctor, the friend of me, you know? No. Look how much I lift up and run out on your kid. See it here. Alright. Let murder begin. Joke. Doctor, I run them serious joke with me stab you up. That's true. Me's a murderer, you know. That make two of it. What? Mr. Oh Jesus, I'm sorry. Alright, good. So just remember transform you. Answer. Alright, good. I'm gonna put this over your face, but before I start, I want you to say heavy. Heavy. Say it like you're black and you're proud. Heavy. Get to a bed. Put this over your face. Alright, count from 1 to 10 now. 1, 2, 3. Sue? She's not good. You're not blood, man. from morning, God. Alright, good. Tell me how you like it. It feels nice, but I can't really see it. Hold on. See a mirror here. Oh God. Awa. Oh God. You don't like it? I love it. Tongues. Yeah. But not like doctor. You make me look nice. Answer. But I forgot to tell my friend boy you. Alright. Yeah, girl. I say, Abby, can you believe some body fix answer? I lie, you tell. Yeah, girl. I lie. Girl, I'm not telling no lie. I see you for no. What that? Good? I'm going to call you back. Give me my money. No, you pay your feet already. Give me my money. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed that skit, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe if you're new. Remember to follow me on Instagram below. And if you watch the Me and People man, fly over to Abbi and Kepa JA. Until then, your girl Abbi is out. Bye.